Prior to the escalation of conflict in Ukraine, KNDS France maintained a relatively modest pace in producing its Caesar self-propelled howitzers, only 2 units per month. This production rate aligned with a peacetime model focused on meeting scheduled orders from the French military. However, the geopolitical shock triggered by Russia's invasion in February 2022 has since catalyzed a major transformation in defense priorities across Europe, underscoring the importance of rapid, scalable military manufacturing. In response, KNDS France initiated a sweeping overhaul of its manufacturing infrastructure. By 2024, the company had tripled its monthly output to 6 howitzers and is set to hit 8 per month in 2025, aiming for a yearly total between 70 and 80 units. By 2026, production is expected to reach a monthly cadence of 12 systems, reflecting both internal investment and external demand. This production surge stems from a modernization initiative launched in 2022. Facilities in Roanne and Bourges underwent significant upgrades, including new assembly lines and facility expansions. The Roanne site, where Caesar units are mounted on Arquus truck chassis, has seen its workforce nearly double since 2019, growing from 850 to more than 1,550 employees. Projections estimate a further increase to 1,600 personnel by next year. This transition has allowed KNDS to shift from an order-based production rhythm to a continuous manufacturing cycle, significantly reducing delivery times. The Caesar system, short for Camion Équipe d'un Système d'Artillerie, is a truck-mounted 155 mm artillery piece known for its speed, precision, and strategic mobility. It has gained international recognition for its performance in Ukraine, where its ability to rapidly fire and relocate has been crucial in evading enemy counterattacks. This operational success has sparked fresh interest from foreign governments and defense alliances. Driven by rising global interest, KNDS is preparing for large-scale orders, including possible future contracts from the French government as part of a shift toward a so-called war economy. While no major procurement by France has been confirmed yet, KNDS asserts its readiness to fulfill urgent requests thanks to its revamped production capabilities. This strategic shift is part of a broader pattern across Europe, where numerous countries are increasing their defense spending and procurement. In 2024 alone, Estonia, Armenia, and Croatia placed orders for Caesar howitzers. These acquisitions are partly supported by a new EU fund aimed at accelerating the modernization of member states' ground forces while reinforcing the European defense industrial base. In tandem, France has ordered 109 units of the upgraded Caesar Mk2 model, featuring improved protection and firepower. Deliveries for this next-generation system are expected to commence in 2027. This order complements France's continued support for Ukraine, to which 113 Caesar units have already been delivered or committed. The Caesar is built on a 6x6 Arquus Sherpa chassis and carries a 155 mm/52 caliber gun capable of firing up to 6 rounds per minute over distances of up to 40 kilometers. It carries 18 rounds and can deploy precision munitions such as bonus and katana. The system is fully network-enabled with GPS and C4I compatibility, and typically operated by a team of 3 to 5 personnel. For protection, it can be equipped with an armored cab meeting NATO STANAG 4569 Level 2 standards. Propelled by a Renault DCI-6 engine, the Caesar boasts a road speed of up to 90 km per hour and an operational range of 600 km. Its design prioritizes adaptability, making it suitable for diverse terrains and missions, as demonstrated in operations across Afghanistan, Mali, and the Middle East. Its modular setup also allows for integration with alternative chassis configurations depending on customer preferences. KNDS's manufacturing push also leans heavily on its regional supply network, which comprises around 450 companies in the Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes area. By providing longer-term visibility on production schedules, KNDS is encouraging these suppliers to scale up alongside it, investing in personnel, equipment, and capabilities to support sustained output. Looking ahead, KNDS plans to activate an industrial reserve system modeled after the military reserve. This initiative, created through a partnership with the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA, in late 2024, seeks to enlist experienced former workers and transitioning military veterans to step in during periods of surging demand. The first wave of training for these industrial reservists is scheduled for late 2025. With these sweeping changes, KNDS France is aligning itself with the new realities of European defense. Its increased Caesar production not only fulfills urgent battlefield needs but also reflects a broader commitment to autonomy and resilience within the European defense landscape. As continental security dynamics continue to evolve, KNDS is asserting its role as a cornerstone of land-based defense innovation and preparedness.